Yay! Vlogmas. Day 3? Day 3. And we got steaks.
Steak and onions for supper.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad, right?
No, that's right.
No. And we had some pretty cool surprises.
Yep. So we got some cards from some fellow Disney APs. I joined a Disney annual pass holder group, and they were doing a Christmas card exchange, and so anyways we got 3 cards, so I actually have to send out some cards this week.
Yeah, so who'd we get one from?
So I got some cards from the AP group. We're doing a bit of a card exchange, so shout out to the Martin family in the UK. We have Nikki from Ontario.
Hello.
And we also have Leslie from Ontario. So thank you guys so
Leslie.
much. So we're super pumped.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, so it was wicked. So we're going to send out some cards this week to
Yay.
return. And yeah, so Merry Christmas to the fellow Mickey friends. And yeah, we're super excited.
Yeah, for sure. So, sweating, Under Armour. Day 2 of the exercise. No elliptical today. Started jogging. I might have made 3 minutes before I had to stop and walk for a minute. Change songs, of course, and then jog my way back to the house. So I'd say altogether it was maybe 10 minutes, maybe 1 kilometer. But it's a start. We'll see how far we get by Christmas. I'd say 1.1 kilometers. But we'll see.
December 3rd.
Is it the 3rd?
Yeah,
Wow.
it doesn't take very long.
It's flying already, right?
Where's the 3rd?
Madeline, can you find the number 3?
Here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Can you open it? Okay, good job. Mommy, help pop it out. Let's see what it is.
Mom!
It's Kristoff.
Oh yeah, for sure. Cool.
Kristoff.
Hey.
Kristoff.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Mommy, find yours.
Mommy's finds hers.
Yeah, really? Okay.
So let's find number 3.
Where's number 3 on Mommy's?
This one.
No.
Whoa, it is the big one.
It's this one.
Oh, there he is.
Let's see. Another kiss.
Woohoo!
Now that's her.
Yay.
Do you see it?
Right there.
Yeah, there it is. Let's open. Whee!
Oh, it's Daddy's.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Hi. Peanut butter cup time.
I'm gonna open yours.
Daddy's gonna open it himself.
So he doesn't lose it.
Oh, look at it. It's so pretty.
I'm gonna open it.
Daddy have a bite, then you have a bite.
Good job.
Good? Is it the best one?
Yum, 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 yum.
No, I wanna eat it.
You want to eat the rest? Okay, you can have the rest. Tomorrow Daddy's going to eat it all?
No, I
Another day.
Another day. It's no problem. I guess I am exercising, right? Trying to lose a bit of weight. Hey.
cheese.
Cheese, is that what you want to say? All right, so from St. John's, Newfoundland, we're signing off for Vlogmas number 3. Hope you enjoy.
Merry Christmas.